In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to find someone on Upwork. So let's get started. So first of all, in the search bar, you'll have to click on this jobs icon. Once you click on it, you have to change it to talent, where you can find freelancers and agencies. So once you click on that, and let's say you're searching for a video editor, so you can just click on the search bar and type in video editor. And once you type that in, it's going to show you different people according to the earnings they have, and it's going to display according to the skills and everything they have. So as you guys can see, this person right here has 95% job success, so the good freelancers, they are always shown at the top. So as you guys can see, this is how you find someone on Upwork. So let's say you're finding someone related to social media. So in that case, you're just going to type in social media and enter, and it's going to show you all the different people giving. Make sure you change it to talent and then type in social media, otherwise it's going to show you jobs. So as you guys can see, now it's showing me the different people who give the services at social media, and then you can always filter it from the sites. For example, you want people who have earned above a specific amount, so let's say above $10,000, so you can just click on that. And let's say you want it to be an agency, you don't want any freelancers, you're just gonna choose agencies from there. You can always filter and do all that stuff. So as you guys can see, this is how you find someone on Upwork. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.